This video will walk you through how to log into your participant center, which allows you to see who's donated to you, to personalize your fundraising page, to send emails and monitor your progress. So the first step is to log in. We're on the home page here, which is walk.wellnesshouse.org. You want to enter your username and password in the boxes up here. If you don't remember that, just click on the green login button. It will take you to a screen where you can say you forgot your username or password, and it will email it to you. Just be sure to use the same email address you used when you registered. I know my information, so I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And you can see I'm logged in now because it says Participant Center at the top, and there's a log out button instead of a login button. So we're going to click on Participant Center. And this is the home page. So it gives me an overview of where I'm at. I've raised $100. My goal is $500. I'm 20% to my goal, and there's 145 days until the event. If you want to change your personal fundraising goal, you can do that here. We're just going to go through the tabs at the top. So next we'll go to email. If I wanted to send an email to my team members, to donors, to friends, you can do all of that here. You can send a thank you email, recruitment email for people to join your team, or a solicitation email to ask for a donation. There's also a blank template where you can create your own personal message on the letterhead. We're going to send a solicitation email. So you just click the button there and then hit next at the bottom here. This pulls up some pre-drafted text, which you can edit. So I recommend putting any personal information about why you're participating in the walk in here to make your email more personal. So you can edit the text. You can make it a bigger size. You can change the color of the text, whatever you'd like to do. And then once you're done making the letter say whatever you'd like it to say, you want to go ahead and click next down at the bottom here. Here's where you select your recipients. So you can import contacts from Gmail, Yahoo, you can do a file. You can also just type them in one at a time by using Add Contact. If you participated in the walk last year, anyone you entered last year will still be listed in here. There are also different categories. So these are contacts that I may have added, and then there are groups. So I could select donors. So Hermione donated to my team, so she pops up. So if I wanted to send a thank you email, I would just select donors and it would send it to everyone who's donated to me. Non-donors would be people in my contacts who have not donated yet, and so on. Because I'm the team captain, I can see my teammates. Luna's on my team, so I could send an email to my teammates. Could also see past teammates, so people who were on my team last year but haven't registered yet this year. So there's all these different categories, unthanked donors. You can select whatever you'd like. Or if it's just people from your contact list, you'd want to go back to contacts. So I'll just email Hermione and Luna. And then you want to hit next at the bottom here. And it will show you a preview of the email that your friends will see. You see here it says a link to your page will automatically be added to the bottom of your message. So a link to your personal fundraising page will be auto-generated and added to every message. You won't see it in the preview here, but it will be in the email that your friends receive. Once you've previewed it and you like what it says, you go ahead and hit send. And it sends the emails, and it took me back to this home tab here. We just went through the email tab. I'm going to go over to progress, which looks similar to the home tab. So this again shows how much I've raised, what my goal is, which I could change. I also see the donation history, so I can see that Hermione donated $100 on December 12th. If I wanted to download that, I could go ahead and do that. And that will open up in Excel. And you can see that it shows all of the, It shows the people who donated to me. It has the name, address, so if I wanted to send thank you notes or anything like that, I could download that to Excel to get that information. So this is my personal progress. You see over here, because I'm the team captain, I have the option to do personal or team. So I'm going to click on team. And this shows my team goal. So you can change that to whatever you'd like it to be. It shows what my team has raised, which is what I've raised in addition to other team members or donations that were given to the team and not under an individual name. You can see these are people who've donated to the team. So I could also download that. I could download that donation list also. Here I could download my roster. So if I wanted to send thank you notes or something to all of my team members after the event, this is where I would come to download my roster. So this is my team progress. Next, we're going to go up to personal page to customize our personal fundraising page. So let's just view what it looks like right now. So this is what my personal fundraising page looks like. You can see it has my goal, which I just updated to 1,000. Shows I've raised 100, so I'm 10% to my goal. And this shows that Hermione is the person who donated to my team, or to my personal fundraising, $100. And then this is text. There will be sample text in there that you can use. If you participated in the walk last year and updated this information, that same information will be there from last year. So you can just update that. So we're going to go back. And let's say I just want to change the color that I have that highlighted in. You just save that. You can also add a photo, so I'm going to go over here on the right. This is the photo that I currently have. I'm going to upload a different photo. Save and upload. I'm going to go back to content, save, and then let's view what that looks like. So you can see I changed the photo, and I updated the text here. The other thing you can do is customize your URL. So you just click on this. Right now the link to your personal page is this long link. But you can update that by clicking here. And I'll make this Harry Potter. So now if I wanted to send a link to my personal fundraising page in an email or post it on Facebook, this is the link that I would share and it would take people to my page. So we just updated my personal page. Because I'm the team captain, I can also update the team page. So it looks similar. I can update the text here. Let's view what it looks like right now. So this is the team page. We've got a photo. You can see the roster of everyone who's on the team. Harry, who's the team captain, and then Luna's on the team. And this is our progress. You can see we raised $475. We just increased the goal to $2,500, so that's showing up. And then this is showing everyone who's donated to the team to help us get to that $475. You'll notice that Hermione appears on here. She donated to Harry Potter, but her name appears here because Harry Potter is on the Team Hogwarts team. So her donation will show on the team page. So we're going to go back and update this. And we'll just say, and again, we can update this color. We can make it bold, underline, italic. We can change the font size. And then here is the photo. You can also delete any of this too. So if you don't want any of that in there, just delete it. Then down here we have the photo that's currently there. If I want to update that, again, similar to what I did before, just select the photo from my computer, save and upload, and then I'm going to save this. And let's view it again and see if those changes took. So here I updated the text, I changed the photo, I deleted some text down here. You can also update your team URL, similar to what we did on our personal page. So I'm going to change this to Team Hogwarts. And then this is the short link that I'll use. If you updated this in years past, it may say that that link is already taken. Let's say I just had Team Hogwarts. This link is still active from last year, so I just added the year to make it a unique link for this year. So that's everything in your participant center. This home tab will also show you your progress if you've set up your personal page, added contacts, sent an email, etc. It kind of gives you an overview of everything that you've done. You can also see your recent activities, so emails that you've sent, donations you've received, all of that will appear down here. If you have any other questions, please give us a call. We're at 630-654-5191, or you can email us at walk@wellnesshouse.org.